You received a memo relating to putting on the symposium, I believe, and you don't recall exactly when that was?
The symposium, I don't recall when I received the memo,
Okay.
but I do recall when the symposium was.
Okay, well, we'll get to that. You mentioned that there were some costs about and how it was to be funded.
Yes.
What do you recall about that?
My recollection was that the cost of the symposium was going to be approximately $200,000.
Okay, and who was going to fund that symposium?
That's the question they asked me.
Okay. Okay, in the memo, you were asked, how are we going to fund it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the memo, they asked, is it okay if we do a symposium?
Correct.
Okay. Did they, in the memo, mention that Sargon Enterprises was going to pay for the symposium?
The memo, to my recollection, was about 4 lines, and it was sincerely Hassam and Winston. There were no specifics other than what I just mentioned to you, that the Monaco Symposium is planned and that it'll cost, enclosed is a sheet, and behind it was a sheet indicating what they felt the cost of it would be, and the total of that was approximately $200,000.
In the memo, was Hesam Nazari, were Hesam Nazari and Dr. Chi asking you as the dean of the dental school to approve this cost?
My recollection was, here's the cost of it, Landesman as the dean of the dental school, how are we going to fund it?
Okay. And to the best of your recollection, no mention was made in there that Sargon Enterprises was going to fund it?
No, but I assume that.
Okay.